Alright guys, your assignment today is to create a house as detailed as you can. So again, you'll start with I'll get you to your basics of the house. So you'll start with your base of your house, pull it up, remember to make a roof, use the pencil, draw a line. And you can make different types of roofs too if you use the pencil in different ways. Then take the 4 arrows, go to the middle, pull it up. There's your basic roof. Okay, you can color and paint it in so it looks more like a house here. And then what's really neat is you can use your rectangle tool and you can draw shapes on your house. So you can create windows. Okay, create a little attic window. Now when we do 3D stuff, everything has to be 3D. So you got to make sure you pull it in or out to make it 3D. Okay, so you're going to mess around with a house, make a little house. Now what's cool is you can add little doorknobs. You can use the pencil tool, make a door. You can make doorknobs. You can add a ton of detail to it. This is going to be due tomorrow afternoon, so you have tomorrow to work on this too after your other classwork's done. Again, anything needs to be push-pulled. So even the pencil line where I drew the doors separated, I'm going to push-pull one door out a little further. It's the smallest difference, but then you can see that line. Okay? And I would do windows going all the way around. You can add a little chimney off the top. If you want to do grass, okay, what I would do is do a rectangle next to it. And if you ever want to change the direction, like if I choose this right now, it's blue, I can change the direction by hitting the arrows on my keypad. Now I'm going to pull my grass up just a little bit. And it's dark gray, so it won't 3D print, but for this project it's okay because we're not 3D printing these. And if I go to my paint tool, there's actually a grass. It's here somewhere. Landscaping and vegetation, and I can color that in green like grass. So I've got my yard, and you can actually make fences too. So if I want a fence around my yard, okay, again I would take the box and I would draw it on the top, so a lot of rectangles. I'll take my rectangle, I'll just draw a thin little box there. I'm going to pull it up. Okay, and then coloring wise, you can see there's fences. So I'll paint that like a fence. Okay, and then it makes a fence for my house. Okay, if you were going to make a pool, so let's say I want to make a pool in the backyard. Okay, I'll make a circle, depending on what kind of pool you want. Pull it up. I'm going to use the offset tool to make it inside. I'm going to pull the middle down just a little bit to show the water. And if I go to my paint over here, I've got that water. Let me minimize this. There's water, so I'm going to paint the middle water. And then maybe I'll do the outside here of my pool this other color. So I've got my pool in the backyard. Get creative, add some other things. A 4 on this will be very detailed. A 3 will be kind of like this, pretty basic. Okay, so I'm expecting a yard, a house, maybe a garage. Some basic things like this that we just went over. A 2 would be just the house, it's not colored in. 1 would be not complete. Let me know if you have any questions.